Hey, welcome to Faceball, or otherwise known as head, neck, face rolling. So you get this little guy, and you get this little guy, or otherwise these things. Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of guys out of my repertoire, and I just continue to use them. So first ball goes to the back of your head, the bigger guy. And when you bring your hands to both sides, the ball should be right at the base of your head. So your neck, feel your neck, it should be pretty free of the ball. And your head should be right on the back. So if I give you a little bit of a turn view here, the ball is not touching right through here. It's right on the back. There you go. So you should be able to turn your head. Ball is staying on your back, not touching anything in your neck. Good. The ball may roll away. Get it down. Now drop chin to your chest, press back. The ball should be right between the two little bumps on the back of your head. Now, shoulders. Lift it up, roll it down, press that shoulder blade down on the ground. That just gives more of the shoulder blade, the flatter, the better stretch you get in the neck. So you get a good stretch in your neck. Now, quick things about this ball. When I'm using the left side of the face, I put the ball on my left side. When I'm doing the ball on the right side, I put the ball on the right side. This is a lot of work for your arms. Your arms may get tired. So if you're like, what the heck, I feel like I lifted a bunch of boxes, I worked out tomorrow in your arms, you got to think the ball. So for these things, the ball can stay most of the time behind the back of our head. If we do anything differently, I will prompt you to do that and then move the ball. If I don't talk about where that back ball is, this is the assumed position I want you to be in, right there. So not on my neck, shoulders are down here. See all that space way away? That's how we want it. Now, let's just do a quick little where you want to be mindful. So forehead, go to town. All around the ridge of your eye is an orbital bone. You want to be, that's fine, but we don't want to press into our eye. Our eye is a pressurized system, so please don't press into our eyes. And then over here, you have an arch. Zygomatic arch, you don't need to know the names of this, but just think of it as a bridge. It's not a big solid bone, so you want to be gentle as you go over your bridge. It's on both sides, by the way. Other things you want to be mindful of is in the jaw. So when you're working here, make sure you have your other hand over to support it, and likewise. What you don't want to do is shove your jaw, like all of a sudden, you push too hard and something lets go over here. Really help it and support it. And then I usually mirror whatever I'm doing on one side with the other side. So see how my hand is kind of going up. Now that's the last thing I want to talk to you about for rolling. When we roll through the skin, I'll give you a side view. We're going to lift here, go right on that eyebrow and press in horizontally. We can go back and forth, but I want you to roll this ball. See how I'm rolling that ball? That's rolling. When we get into the hair, we can slide it. See how I slide? So you can slide through hair, you can slide through cartilage, your nose, your ears, but you must, so you can slide, watch me bend my ear, bend it down, slide right through it. It feels actually really good. Stretches all this back stuff. So if you guys have headaches, you're going to love the ear work, you're going to love the jaw work, you're going to love it all. But when I get to my skin, then I'm going to slide. And I'm going to support that other side. So see how I'm supporting. I'm rolling. I just slid. Don't do that. But you'll catch yourself. And it's okay to do a moment of it. You just don't want to do that all the time. We want to roll on the skin. Because if you pull it, you could break little blood vessels. You could, give you that little, purpley bruises that peck a little. It's called petechiae. So you don't want to do that. But that does not happen in the hair. And you can go to town. You can pull this hair as much or as little as you want. You can roll it around, go to town, make yourself look like a peacock. So those are the basics. So basics are be mindful of arches, jaw, slide over cartilage, roll over skin, and you want to spend more time on suture lines. So where your bones connect together, I'll send you some pictures of the skull if you need it. Otherwise, you can just jump on the good old internet and take a look at where the bones come together. And those are things that you can work on a little bit more. Hopefully this video did you well. Hopefully it's not too long. It doesn't tell you really how to roll. It just tells you how to do the basics. All right, so I will see you on the ball, and I'll see you in your first class. All right. thanks for buying your face ball set, and you should be able to use your Zoom link to do the classes on Mondays at 11:30, or let me know and I can send you a recording of the class if you want to watch it. All right, take care. See you on the ball.